seagull, go fuck yourself.
You sound like cats. No, like you literally sound like a cat, I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you. What? Oh my gosh! Yo! Oh my god, who ate the pizza? No way! Ow!
It's still in his neck!
Whoa.
I'll give you food if you stretch out your wings. Oh my god, you get some food!
Good,
Oh, it's got a whole sausage! Oh!
Also partially because everyone else is looking at her like, hey, Cody's just a bum, Cody's this, Cody.
pounce, pounce, pounce. Yeah, spoon fat him. Fucking.